Welcome on our channel, Engineering Study English. Friends, have you ever thought that, for flow measurement, from flow orifice, what is the necessary condition? Or, it is also asked like this. To measure flow from flow orifice, how much upstream and downstream minimum straight length is essential? Here you need to know upstream and downstream for the orifice. Here, the orifice plate is shown by the arrow. There is a pipeline before the orifice plate, and there is a pipeline after the orifice plate. The pipeline before the orifice plate is called upstream line. The pipeline after the orifice plate is called downstream line. Where inlet will be written on the orifice, that will be upstream. And the other side will be downstream. In answer to this, you will need the pipeline diameter. Suppose, pipeline diameter is denoted by capital D. Its diameter is measured in inches. Pipeline diameter means orifice plate is inserted in a pipeline, and its diameter. You will need minimum 28 d upstream straight length. Let me explain it in a simple way. Suppose the diameter of the pipeline is 6 inches. So you have 28 multiplied by 6, because the value of d is 6. Meaning 168 inches, or, you can say, approximately 4 to 5 meters straight pipeline length will be essential. If the pipeline diameter is 6 inches, then there should be no bend in the pipeline till about 4 to 5 meters, it should be straight. And minimum 7d downstream pipeline straight length will be required. So, 7 multiplied by 6 means 42 inches, or about 1 meter, pipeline should be straight. Control valve should be used after this length. These lengths can be more than 28d and 7d, but should not be less than these. Let me explain you the reason behind this. On a straight pipeline length less than this, flow turbulence will increase. Now you will ask, what is this flow turbulence? Flow turbulence means irregular fluctuations in flow. And due to irregular fluctuations, measurement errors increase, means readings will not show correctly. The more the upstream and downstream pipeline straight length, less the flow turbulence will be there. And also, measurement errors will be less. I think it must have become clear to you. So you also see and tell, is this correct or not? So, that was our video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do like and share. Also, press the bell icon for more updates and uploads.